Something really important to note here is that how they got these texts is because Jennifer McCabe willingly turned over her phone, said, take a look at anything you like, download whatever you want. Happy to help with this investigation into the killing of my friend, Officer John O'Keefe. So is Alan Jackson making any headway on this cross so far? Let's bring in our legal analyst guest this hour. I'm so pleased to have in the studio with me someone who I've admired his analysis for many years on Court TV, but never had the pleasure of having him on my show. Attorney Michael Jaafar in the studio. Welcome. Thank you for coming on this morning. I usually get to watch you in the afternoons, but it's a delight to have you here now. So in your opinion, you've got a lot of experience, Michael, doing criminal defense work. So looking at this and looking what Alan Jackson's doing, give us your assessment, please, of whether this has accomplished anything for the defense on the cross.
I don't, but I know what he's doing. They teach us in trial advocacy class when we're younger, right? If you have the law on your side, you argue the law. If you have the facts on your side, you argue the facts. If you have nothing, you just plain argue, right? So he's just plain arguing. At the end of the day, he's actually taking back, like he's taking some back roads with this case. This defendant right here, this witness that he's cross-examining, I think he's hurting himself. I think he's sullying his defense. I think he's going too aggressive. He's going too raw. She's coming off as a soccer mom, as a suburban mom. I think the jury every trial attorney knows their customer, right? I think that Alan Jackson thinks he's a little bit too confident that the jury in this case is going to be buying into the whole conspiracy hoax. I think he's trying to he's going too hard to create inconsistencies, right? But I don't think he's I don't think he's landing any punches. I think he's hurting himself. I think he's going too far. I think this cross-examination should have been 30 minutes. I don't think it should have been the several hours that it actually is. I think he's hurting himself.